Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today, and welcome back to my new video. On this video, I will give you a free premium certificate for iPhone and iPad 1 year with no revoke. This certificate works for Scarlet, esign, or any sideload method without computer. First of all, you must get your UDID on your device. Open this website, click Get UDID. Download the profile and click Allow. Then go to Settings, click Profile Downloaded. Install the UDID profile to get your UDID. You will redirect to the website. Then copy the UDID information on your device. After that, join to iSolution Telegram group. I will register your device into Premium Certificate by your UDID. Open the Telegram group. Please leave your comment by writing the UDID that you copied earlier and mentioning the device you are using, such as an iPhone or iPad. Please join to the Telegram group. I will insert the invitation link on description. This premium certificate is sponsored by iPaomtk.com. I will add your UDID to the certificate for free. After your device active, you can download the certificate on this Telegram group like this video, and you can use it in Scarlet, esign, or IPA installers that require a certificate. This certificate is valid with no revoke and active 1 year when your device registers. I will give you a zip file. You can find the password of certificate and link to download and install Scarlet or esign directly on iPaomtk website. You can download Scarlet and esign directly on the website, or you can download the IP file to install Scarlet and esign. iPaomtk.com is a website where you can get the IP files you want. I often get IP that I want to install on my device on the iPaomtk.com website, and you can install IP files without limits. Please search for the science you want on the iPaomtk.com website, such as emulators, tweaks, jailbreak tools, and any IPA on this website. When you have got the IP file, you can use it with Scarlet or esign. I also use this esign and certificate to sideload IPA on my iPhone, and this works for all iOS versions. So, if you want to get this free premium certificate, please leave your comment in the Telegram group by writing your UDID and device type. Once active, I will contact you when the device has been successfully registered. Please check the Telegram group, link on description.